Right now we are talking about the noun that can be countable or uncountable. Okay? Like we have got the example of potatoes, and we have got example of here same potato. So one, you're finding the countable, and second, you're finding a curry or what we call a dish made by the potatoes. Some nouns can be either countable or uncountable. For example, a potato is a separate individual thing, but potato cannot be counted because it is mashed. It is in curry, it is in dish. That's why it cannot be counted. So here we have got some examples like countability and uncountability. I'm peeling a potato, and here we have got Milan bake a cake for David. Vicky was eating an apple. Someone threw a stone at the police. There is a hair on your shirt. So remember, when we are talking about potatoes, potatoes is accountable. Peeling potatoes, somebody's peeling it means that one, two, three, and four we can count it. Milan had baked a cake means a whole cake for David. Vicky was eating an apple. An apple means that can be counted. Someone threw a stone at the police means that the countable thing a stone. And there is a hair on your shirt. So the hair is the word which is countable here because we are indicating a thing. ठीक है, हम एक चीज को indicate कर रहे हैं. Uh, Again, we have got the same thing in front of that, which are uncountable. Like, would you like some potatoes? Here we are not talking about the raw potatoes, means they are unbaked. We are talking about the mash, or we are talking about in any dish. Have some cake or a piece of cake. So we can say a piece or some, because here we are not talking about that have the whole cake. Eat out it out. Okay? Is there apple in this salad? So we are talking about not a apple, but we are talking about apple because it may be the piece of apples or the something which we are talking about. So there is an apple in the salad. In the salad, as we know very well, the apple will be mashed or would be mashed. The house is built of stone. So here we are not talking house is built of 200 or 2000 or 2 lakh stones, but we say house is built of stone. I must brush my hair, not hairs. We cannot use S form or plural form here because they are uncountable. So I say I must brush my hair. But most of the time you see that we are telling hair. We add S here. Again, in the B, we have got a thing. Sometime when we are talking something in a journal, we use uncountable nouns, and when we have the thing is specific, we use countable noun. Okay? Often the countable noun is specific and uncountable noun is more general. Like we have got rugby is a sport, a particular sport we are talking about. Rugby जो है वो एक particular जो है वो sport है. That's a nice painting over there. So here we are talking about a nice painting means countable है, or a nice painting specific we are talking about. We had a sudden noise outside. A sudden noise means this particular noise we are talking about, specific noise. John Lennon had an interesting life. So the life that is interesting of John Lennon. So specific, we are talking about countability. But when we talk about the uncountable, we have got in general meaning. Like, do you like sport? अब राइट नाउ स्पोर्ट जो अनकाउंटेबल है वो किसी किस्म का भी स्पोर्ट हो सकता है. वो फिर क्रिकेट भी हो सकता है, वो फिर जो है वो सॉकर हो सकता है, वो बास्केटबॉल हो सकता है. सो स्पोर्ट इन जनरल. Paul is good at painting. So here we are not talking about a nice painting here over there. That was specific. And the Paul is good at painting means we are talking about the uncountable. Means any type of painting is talking about. constant noise can make you ill. ठीक है, constant noise जो है वो आपको बीमार कर सकता है. So here we are not talking about specific noise, but we are talking about constant noise. So बाज़ दफ़ा आप काउंटेबल नाउन जो है वो जनरल इस्तेमाल के लिए भी करते हो कि आप जनरल सिचुएशंस को, जनरल चीज़ों को डिफाइन कर रहे होते हो. लाइफ इज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड समटाइम्स. जनरल वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइफ, एक जनरल स्टेटमेंट है. सो here is what we call how the countable nouns are specific and uncountable nouns are general. We can use them. Here we have got example of a paper. Some nouns can be countable with and uncountable with a different meaning. कुछ नाउन ऐसे हैं जो काउंटेबल भी होते हैं लेकिन और अनकाउंटेबल भी होते हैं, लेकिन जब वो यूज होते हैं काउंटेबल के साथ तो उनकी मीनिंग डिफरेंट होती है, और जब अनकाउंटेबल के साथ यूज हो रहे होते हैं तो उनकी मीनिंग डिफरेंट होती है. लाइक आई बॉट अ पेपर मीन्स अ न्यूज़पेपर. हियर वी हैव गॉट आई विल हैव अ ग्लास ऑफ ऑरेंज जूस. अच्छा, we have got example parallel here. I bought a paper, a newspaper, and I say I need some paper to write on. So here uncountable is some paper and countable is a paper. A paper का मतलब यहाँ पे है newspaper. Here we have got example number second. I will have a glass of orange juice, please. So it is what we call a glass, and here we have got I bought a piece of glass for the window. One is the glass for drinking and a second is a piece of glass, means that you are talking about the window glass. Have you got an iron? For clothes, ठीक है. So iron is for clothes, and there is a word what we call the bridge made of iron. जो bridge है वो iron का जो है बना हुआ है. So iron we are talking about as whole, as specific to, you are talking about the raw material which is iron. I switch all the lights on. Here we have got lights are countable. 1 light, 2 lights, 3 lights, and there is more light by the window, and we are saying कि जो खिड़की है उस पर ज्यादा जो है वो लाइट आ रही है. अब राइट नाउ यू कैन नॉट काउंट द लाइट फ्रॉम द विंडो दैट कि वहां से एक लाइट आ रही है, खिड़की से 2 लाइट्स आ रही हैं. सो हियर वी हैव गुड एग्जांपल. आई हैव बीन टू फ्रांस मेनी टाइम्स. सो हियर वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड टाइम्स, एंड द सेम वी हैव गॉट एग्जांपल. आई कांट स्टॉप, आई हैवंट गॉट टाइम. सो हियर इज व्हाट वी कॉल टाइम. टाइम्स मींस इन गोज, बारीक, दफा, इतनी दफा गया हूं मैं. और यहाँ टाइम जो है वो वक्त को डिफाइन कर रहा है, सामने अनकाउंटेबल. द जर्नी वॉज ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस. सो वी हैव गॉट अ जर्नी वॉज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस एंड ही हैज इनफ एक्सपीरियंस फॉर द जॉब. तो अनकाउंटेबल इज एक्सपीरियंस हियर फॉर द जॉब, एंड जर्नी वॉज अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस. A great experience means a one-time experience of someone, means that they had a journey. So आमतौर पे जब उसको countable और uncountable यूज कर रहे होते हैं तो मीनिंग जो है वो चेंज हो जाती है. I run a small business means a company, and somebody say I enjoy doing business means a buying and selling. So buying and selling is uncountable, but a company is a countable thing. ठीक है. We finally found a space in the car park, and there is no space for the piano in there. So we have got this example for it out. And there are hundreds of satellites out there in this space. So we have got examples of the uncountable and countable nouns. And sometime see, in the language there is a flexibility of using the words. Here we have got a coffee and coffee. You'll find the difference here. कि हमें कहाँ लिबर्टी है कि हम वहाँ पे अ कॉफी और अ टी कह सकते हैं, या 1 टी और 2 टी कह सकते हैं, या हम कह सकते हैं अ वाटर और है. सो वी हैव गॉट वर्ड्स फॉर ड्रिंक्स आर यूजुअली अनकाउंटेबल. आमतौर पे जो वर्ड्स हैं ड्रिंक के लिए वो अनकाउंटेबल होते हैं बिकॉज द लिक्विड इज अनकाउंटेबल. कॉफी इज मोर एक्सपेंसिव देन टी. they both are uncountable. ठीक है? But when we are ordering or offering drinks, जब आप ऑर्डर कर रहे हो या ऑफर कर रहे हो ड्रिंक्स, we can say, हम कह सकते हैं either a cup of coffee or a coffee. आप ये भी कह सकते हो a cup of coffee और आप ये कह सकते हो a coffee, means that you are talking about a cup of coffee and a coffee have got the same meaning. A cup of tea or a tea has got the same meaning. Two coffees, please. Here we are talking about not the liquids, but we are talking about the packaging. So we can say two coffees, please. Two cups of coffee. It is equal to. Would you like a beer? Here is what we call a glass, bottle, and a can of beer. So here we have got the examples here. Some nouns can be countable when we are talking about particular kind of or about different kind. Like Chianti is an Italian wine, a kind of Italian wine. We use the plastic, uh, uh, the use of plastics. Here we are using the S forms. The use of plastics has been generally increased. We are talking about the use of different kind of plastics. So some nouns can be countable, but when we are talking about in a particular kind or about different kinds, we have got this example which defines what is all about this thing. So you have seen now that how some nouns can be countable and how some nouns can be uncountable and how some nouns are having the same thing with each other. Any one of you have got the question, you may ask too.